Yes, of course your IRA could partner. In fact, it is such a powerful tool and a much easier way to make a bigger purchase. So let's just say, for example, my spouse and I find this great investment opportunity on 123 Green Street. And the purchase price of the single family home is $100,000. And let's just say, for example, my IRA would have $60,000 while my spouse would have $40,000. The question is, can both of those IRAs partner together to purchase the single family home? And the answer is absolutely. There's only one rule that you must take into consideration: percentage in and percentage out. What exactly does that mean? Let's just use the 1% rule of the $100,000 that we purchased the home with. So what essentially that means is, if I'm receiving $1,000 of rental income, $600 of that would come back into my IRA, while $400 would go back into my spouse's. It's as simple as that.